Yeah, so what's fun to watch is how it orients the cap.
Yes.
You always have the cap come in, so it's down. And it's got it so that using Venturi, Jessup Street air across the top, it'll actually flip the cap over or kick it out. And it's so cool, the ingeniousness of this interface. I'm impressed with it. That's my tag. Oh no, that's their tag. No, I didn't. Yeah, so, because we got foil seal, this system has a foil detector, foil seal detector, right? So, this is the sensor to check to see if there's oil in the top cap. You know what? I don't think I have ever seen a cap in the hundreds of thousands of jars we built.
Without one?
Without one. So, to me, it's a waste, and frankly, I don't use it. But it says that there's no oil missing, and it sets a timer on this, and then by the time it gets over here, it kicks it out and puts it onto the table. I asked Reno to put this table on there just as they kick out. You could use it to do other things too. One of the other things you may want to consider, Intercon has them, is they have a new system that will check for melamine caps. Every once in a while, you're going to have a cap come off that's not cocked out at all. It's cocked. And if it goes underneath here and gets stuck, it burns the seal. I don't know if you've used any active sealers.
We have one.
Okay, so you know what it smells like when you burn a seal. You can definitely burn them. So they've come out with newer systems, newer drives, that not only will sense for foil, but will do an auto check for caps being put on properly and aligned properly. And you can use the kick-out system to kick out the cap of the jar with the cap isn't aligned. And of course, it would have to be before the seal. And then this is pretty straightforward. I mean, I don't know if you've ever used this kind of a labeler before. But you went to the
labeler like this.
Is it?
Well, not all of this, but this portion.
So Eileen and I went down to Florida, where these guys are, and we went to Sticky School.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We spent a couple of days down there and then partied for a while while we were down there. But they showed us how to set this up and use it. And if you guys can get down there, I would highly advise it to have them talk to you about using this, because it's, of all the equipment, it's the most finicky, and trying to set it up is a real pain. And you can see there's a lot of switches here. That's set up basically right now for our application of labels. It may be that your application of labels is a little different. I don't know, but it might be worth it. And this is also one of these things that is touch too. I'll tell you now, you can rotate these sensors and change the delays, and that's going to completely change the setting of your